Hey folks, Joey Image here with another quick tech unboxing for you. Today I've got a USB Type-C wall charger by Selectid. You can see it right there. I will be using this for my brand new Raspberry Pi 4, which I got a couple days ago. You can see that right here. Maybe you can't. Anyway, there it is in its case in all its beautiful glory. So I'm going to use this USB-C. I'm going to unbox it for you right now, actually. There's the back in case you want to, read the back of the box right there. USB-C 30-watt wall charger. Support at selectidpower.com. So let's check it out right now. I've got a couple of USB-C to USB-C cables. It's in this little baggie here. So here you go. I mean, it's your basic plug. The prongs kind of flip out, so you can put it back in the box or whatever. There's your logo right there, and of course USB-C. And up here it's got an illuminated light, so it will tell you when it's on and powering and working. Ooh, sorry, I just bumped the microphone. So let me move this mic out of the way for a second. I'm going to hook it up right here. As you can see, again, I've got USB-C to, come on, bro. USB-C to USB-C right there. So one end will obviously go into this wall charger. The other end will go right into my Raspberry Pi 4, 8 gigs of RAM. This thing is a beautiful, beautiful beast. So here we go. And I'm going to plug this in right now, and we're going to switch over to, let's switch over to this, and let's plug it in and see what we've got. Here's the fan and the lights on my Pi all up and running right there. I'm running a 256 gig SD card, so this may take a little bit for it to boot up. I'm running Twister OS on the Pi. You should see it. Oh, there we go. Oh, this may be quicker than I expected, actually. There we go. There is our OS desktop. I don't know why it says 1:50 p.m., but I haven't done anything to set any of this up. I also do not have a mouse or keyboard hooked up to the Pi right now, so I can't move anything around. But there you go. There you have it. I mean, there's not really a lot to say about it. It's a wall plug. You plug in your USB-C, and it's a 30-watt wall charger. So, guys, I guess that's it. I mean, this is a very quick one here for you. Not really, not really a lot to talk about here. Again, just a wall charger. There you go. I mean, it's pictured there. I can show it to you again. Let me kill the Raspberry Pi here. Oh, there it goes. Look at that. Look at that. Raspberry Pi is gone. I have to get an on-off or power reset switch for the Pi. Anyway, here you go right here. Come on, buddy. Focus for me. Thank you. There you go. Pop the prongs back in so you can throw it back in the box. And there it goes, like so. We are all set. Guys, as you can see right here, please check me out all social media accounts. That's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch. I don't know what else there is. Everything is YouTube. Everything is at Joey Image TV. My email address is down here somewhere, joeyimage@gmail.com. And I appreciate you guys checking this out. I hope this was, I don't know, somewhat informative. You know, it's a wall plug. Talk to you soon.